So, yesterday we are seeing about the variables and data types. We are going to continue on the same. Okay. So, we'll start it. Okay. So, I'll ask someone. Divya, can you tell me? I want to write a class. Okay, so I will just write a class over here. What I need to do means I want you to write a class called ABC, which will have one global variable, one local variable. Okay, sorry, one global variable which is of static, another one is of non-static, and then one local variable. That's what you have to do. Can you write for me?
So you want, memory location? In terms
Not memory location. Just write a normal class called ABC, which has two global variables. One is static, another one is non-static, and then another one is a local variable.
So we can simply use class with class name.
Class ABC is a class name.
Braces, and then for the static variable we'll use the keyword static.
Superb, correct. Static.
Like if it's an integer variable, then we use int I.
Integer I, yes, superb. Equal to 10 in this case, yes.
For non-static, we don't use any keyword, so we can simply use int A.
20, superb, awesome. Yes. Then
what next? Two global variables.
One local variable.
One local variable. So for that we need to go to the public static void class.
Sorry, come again.
Public static void main class.
Awesome. Yes, correct. So public static void means string arguments. Yes.
And here we'll define the.
Sorry.
Here we'll define the variable. Like if it's an integer, then we'll use int.
Yeah.
Int A.
A is equal to 30.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, superb. A, awesome. Superb, Divya. Good. So now, hey, Harshila, can you, I want to print the local variable. I want you to print the local variable. Can you tell me how I can do that? Hello? Hello? Hey, Harshila, you there? Okay. Pushpanjali, you're there? Hello?
Yeah,
hey, Pushpanjali, I want you to print the value of the local variable. Can you tell me how I can do that?
Yeah, system out println.
Yeah, system dot out dot println.
Integer A, local, right? Integer A.
Yeah, so it's a local variable means how I can access it. If it's a local variable, sorry. Sizo. If it's a local variable, how I can access it? Okay, Pushpanj, I am not able to hear your voice properly. I'll ask you after some time. Ramya, can you tell me how I can access the local variable? Hello? Hello? Hey, hi Ramya, you're there? Hello. Yeah, Shweta, you're there? Hi, Shweta. Today, guys, I want everyone's attention here. It's like it's not a one way. Okay, I don't want to take like this class. I want perfectly every participants to be involved here. Okay, so the thing is actually it's like if you want to go like this, There is no difference going for the other sessions and my sessions. It's like if you're interactive, then only you can make sure you have understood everything clearly. Then there is no use of paying this much money for to take the session here. Okay. Okay. So I'll go from my side. Okay. So if I want to print the local variable, CISO, I need to give. So local variables can be used directly with the variable name itself. So if you want to access the global variables, you can have one is static, another one is non-static. If it's a static variable, you can directly access it with the help of the variable with the help of reference of a class name. So abc dot I you can give. Same thing, if you want to access the non-static variables, you can just give abc obj1 is equal to new abc. Okay, abc obj1 equal to new abc. So then if I want to access the non-static variable, CISO obj1 dot j. Okay, so non-static variables I can access it with the help of the object name obj1 dot j. Static variables also can be accessed with the help of the object name also, CISO obj1 dot j you can access. Then CISO, then directly the, sorry, it's my mistake. Static variable is what? I. Also, I can access it directly with the help of the variable name also. CISO I. That's how. Okay, that's how you can access this static, non-static, and then the local variables here. Okay, so now I'll go to the program. Sorry, Shweta, your voice and then Ramya, your voice are not audible. Okay, so now I'm going to execute this program. So we'll execute. So we'll execute this program. So any volunteers from your end, if anyone is interested, you can just tell me. Otherwise, I will execute it. Anyone like to execute it? You guys can tell. If you're interested, you can take. Otherwise, I will explain. Anyone from your end want to try it? Okay, so let me do. So right now, if I want to execute this program, so what will happen? First, for me, a memory allocation will be created for me. So first, a memory allocation will be created for me. So the memory allocation name will be the class name, there with hexadecimal number. So the class name. Then after that, we will have the static pool here. So a static pool, always the first memory location which will be created will be the static pool. So then all the static members will be loaded into the memory location. So what are the static members? We have static int k equal to 40. Then after that we have the main function, that's also a static. These are the two things that will be loaded into the memory location. So right now these two are loaded. Then as usual I told you, first the main function will start to execute for me. So that is the main function memory will be started to execute. That's the local memory for the main function. Local memory for the main will be loaded. Then it start to execute. Now for me, int I is equal to 10, int j equal to 20. So now two local variables are created. So those two will be loaded into the main function. Okay. So then after that, system.println local variable. Okay. System.println local variable I and j, that will be loaded for me. So it will print me, sorry, it will print me local variable. Then after that, what is the I value right now? What I'm doing is concatenation. What is the I value right now for me? So when I refer only with the variable name, what will happen? It goes to the main function and checks what is my I value right now. That is 10. So 10 will be right now will be printed for me. 10 will be printed. Then next a space plus space, then j. So now when it comes as j, comes to the main function local memory. What is the j value right now? That is 20. So 20 will be loaded. Local variable 10 and 20 will be loaded. System.println global variable k. So now it will print me global variable k. So what is the k value right now for me? It comes to the year when it's checked whether k variable is present here. No, we don't have a k variable here. So now it goes to the static pool. What is the k value right now? Here it is 40. So 40 will be printed. When we don't have the local variable, that time only it goes to the place wherever the memory has been came. So here in the static pool we have 40 now. So 40 will be printed for me right now. That thing. So anyone has any questions so far on this? Anyone has any questions, guys?
No.
Okay, cool. So now anyone like to try?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
This is Nikita here.
Yeah, hi Nikita.
Yeah, hi. So the next line, global variable dot k. So it will just print 40.
Yes. So global variable dot k. So now where the search will go? Can you tell me?
It will go to static pool.
Awesome. Static pool. Yes. Why it will go to the static pool?
Because we are accessing here static member with the help of class name.
Awesome. Correct. So static members always, whenever it is referred with the class name, always the search will go to the static pool only. Then here do we have k? Yes. So 40 will be printed. Hey, awesome. Superb. Thanks, Nikita. Superb. Yes. Then next, now what will happen?
Next, we are creating an object of class global local variable. So
Correct.
you can draw a new block here.
Yes.
OBJ.
Awesome. So I'm creating an object here. So what is the object name right now is?
OBJ.
OBJ. Yes, then.
And now all static and non-static variables will get loaded here.
Correct. So what is the reference for this object?
It's a global local variable.
Correct. Global local variable is the object. This is the reference here. So now what will happen? Comes to the local variable.
All static, non-static members will get loaded here.
Awesome. Correct. So what are the static and non-static members we have here?
Static int k is equal to 40.
Yes.
Int p is equal to 50 and the main.
Superb. Correct. Then apart from that, do we have anything static or non-static
Main.
members?
Main
Yes.
method.
Main also is a static member. So main also will get loaded here. So okay, so main also get. So right now here, if you see static members, what will happen means it will not be freshly loaded. What is going to happen here means it's going to get the reference from this place to here. Okay, so what's going to happen here means static members alone. Here the memory will not be newly created. Only the reference copy will be taken from here. So it will be like this. This one will come here. This main will come here. It's not like newly going to load the memory. The reference from the static pool that will be loaded here. That's what's going to happen. Okay. Yes. Super. Hey, thanks, Nikita.
Thanks.
So, now next, Anil, you're there? Anil, you're there?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Anil. Can you execute the next these 4 lines?
Today, since I joined, I will try to.
Sure, you try it. If not possible, actually, I'll just help you. No worries. If you guys just give a try, because then only you will be. It will be easy for you to do it, because everything, if I am going to do it, so you will think you have understood it, but the real concept you might be missing it. That's why I just want to try by your side. Okay, so system.out.println obj.p. What's going to happen here? What I'm going to do, I'm going to refer through what it's an object. Obj is the object here, correct? So now it will go to the obj.
50.
Correct. So in the object memory, so right now what is the value for p? That is 50. So 50 will be taken. Yes, 50 will be printed for me. Yes, then obj.k. So now what will happen?
40.
Correct. So obj.k comes to the object. Do we have k here? Yes, we have a k which is coming from the static pool. So the value of that k is 40. So 40 will be printed for it. Yes. Then now next step. So what is the step? Obj.p equal to 60. So in the obj object, here what is the p right now? That is 50. So here this step is called as reinitialization. So that 50 will be now replaced with 60. So that will be replaced with 60 here. Yes. Then next obj.k equal to 90. Now what will happen?
Replaced by 90.
Correct. Obj.k. So in the obj, k value is what? 40. Now that will be replaced with 90. So here I told you static members always the reference copy only is coming from the static pool. It's not like newly loaded memory. So whenever there is a change here, what will happen? That change will be applied there in the static pool also. Okay, always that static members will be coming from that place only. Okay, understood? Everyone understood this concept? So always the changes, whenever you do for a static member, that change will apply all over the places. Okay, because from the static pool only we are going to get the information. So everywhere the changes will happen. Okay, hey, thanks, Anil. Super. Now, next, I want. Hey, Prakash, you're there? Prakash?
Yes, I disconnected. My system got restarted. I just rejoined now.
Oh, sure. Okay. You like to try?
Yes, sure.
Sure, super. So now can you execute these 3 lines?
Okay, so
Just give a try, no worries. Anyway, I'm going to help you because it's like actually this is the um, you guys are going to come right now only, no? So no worries. Actually, what yesterday only you started to learn about what variables and data types. So just give a try. Anyway, we are going to see more.
you mean try means what would be the output?
Yeah. So what is going to print? System.println means it's going to print the output in the console.
Yes.
So
Object P, P will be printed.
correct. Obj.py, because it's there under a string. Any information that comes under a double quotes will be treated as a string. So it will be printing obj.p, then plus obj1, plus obj.p. So this is actually what? Referring the variable through help of the object reference. So now what will happen? So in the object obj, what is the p value right now?
60.
60. So 60 will be printed. Super. Good. So then next, system.println obj.k.
Yeah.
So it will print obj.k. Then what is obj.k value?
90.
Yes, that is 90 will be printed. So 90 will be printed for me. Yes. Then next, now what will happen here?
Global local variable plus global variable dot k.
Correct. So global local variable that will be printed. Then next concatenation here global local variable dot k. So that is what is the global local variable is the class name. Correct?
Yes.
So when I refer the static member through a class name, so where the search will go?
Outside.
Sorry?
Outside?
Not outside. Always when we refer through class name, the search will go to the static pool.
Okay.
Okay, so that means what is the value of k in static pool?
40.
Yes, correct. No, check it. Check the memory location.
$90.
Yes. Can you tell me why it's 90?
Yeah, it's 40 and then it's 50 got added to it. So 40 plus 50 is 90.
No. So the thing is here obj.k equal to 90 vk. So that time actually what? The value has been changed to 90. So latest value for the static member right now it's 90. So that will print 90 for you. So global local variable, that means when I refer through class name, the search will directly goes to the static pool and then it will print me 90. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Om Prakash. Thank you.
Yeah, I will go through once after the class. I will look once again because I
Yes.
last 15 minutes of the class.
Sure. Please go through that. Okay. So next is Avian. Can you execute the next program?
Can you just mark it from which place to which place? Can you execute?
Sorry?
Can you just mark it? Yeah.
Yeah. So you are going to execute this step, these 3 steps, these 4.
Okay. So here we are creating one more object. So you have to draw one diagram.
Yes, correct. We are going to create another object, which is obj1. Awesome. Just a second. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have to load the static and global variable.
Yes. Load all the global members. It
Yeah.
might be a static or non-static.
Yeah. Okay.
So what are the things?
Like static int k.
So here, right now for me, what are the global members here? We have static and non-static, these two things. So now static members alone, always we should take the information from the static pool. So what is the value? Static int k.
Int k equal to 90.
Correct. The latest value is 90. So static members alone, always it takes a copy from the static pool only. It's not going to create anything newly. Yes. Then
the main.
yes.
Main function.
Then the main function. Okay. Then anything else?
Then static, not static. The global variable int p.
Yes, correct. What is the value of non-static variable will be?
50.
50. Because non-static members actually what? It loads the memory newly here inside the object. Only static members, it takes the information from the static pool and then after that gives the information. Okay? Yes. So then we have loaded the object. Now what will be the output for this?
Now it will be printed as obj1.p.
Awesome. Yes.
Then p value will be 50.
Correct. obj1.p. So it goes to the object 1. What is the p value right now?
50.
50. So 50 will be printed. So then next.
obj1.k.
Yes, correct.
Then k value is 90.
Yes. In the obj1, right now k value is what? 90.
90.
Yes. Then
global underscore local variable.
Global underscore local variable. Yes.
It will be 90 also.
So now global local variable. I'm referring with the help of a class name. So when you refer through help of a class name, where the search will go?
To the static pool.
Correct. The search will go to the static pool. Now what is the value of k?
90.
90. So it brings me 90. Yes, correct. Then next.
Then we are changing the value to 20.
Okay. So global local variable dot k equal to 20. So that means where the change will apply?
In the static pool.
So now the 90 will be replaced with 20 now.
Hmm.
$90 will be replaced with 20 now.
20.
So here right now one more thing is what I told you. The static member, whenever there is a change is going to happen, it will reflect in all over the places because everywhere what is that happening? The static members values have been came from there only. So whenever we change the value of the k, that time that changes will apply in the object level also. So 20. Then here also it will be 20. Both the places is being changed. Clear? Any?
K was 90, sir.
Sorry, come again.
In the static pool, initially why K is 90? I missed that part.
That's what. So here, in this place, we have changed the value obj1.k equal to 90. Na? Before it was 40. Then here at this place, we have changed it to 90. That time it's been done.
Okay, so from 40 change it to 90 and again we are changing it to 20.
Correct. Now we are changing it to 20. So when I do a change, static members alone, what will happen? In all over the places, that change will apply.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now, thank you. So now, okay, sorry, can you execute this two alone?
Yeah. Here obj1.k equal to 70. So k is a static variable. So in the static pool itself, that 20 will be replaced with 70.
Correct. Now the value of k will be 70. Whenever it's going to change the static members value, where the changes will apply?
In the static pool as well as all the places, because all the objects are referring to the static pool.
Correct. 70. Then here also will be 70. That's it. That's the way wherever it needs to modify. Okay. Then next, obj1.p equal to 25.
Equal to 25.
So where?
Yeah, here only obj1. In the obj1,
Yes.
yeah, p value will be instead of 50, it will be 25.
It will be 25.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the only change that has been done. Any questions or anyone? Okay. Hey, thank you. Thanks again.
Yeah.
Virender, can you execute with the next few lines? So we have done till this part. Now, system.println global local variable dot k we have to give.
No, we have done with this also.
So sorry, where are we? Sorry, we are here. Sorry,
Yeah,
we
so
have
we need
to.
to create object 2.
Correct.
So we need to again create a object 2.
Correct.
The
Yeah. Yes, memory location name will be
object 2.
object 2. Yes, correct. obj2. Yes, next.
And then all the
So all the global members. So what are the global members? It might be static or non-static variables or functions.
so all the global variables in the sense like int k, static variable,
Correct. Static in K
and int,
in P also.
yes, both are global variables. So
Correct.
both
What?
static and static, both will be will have the copy in the object.
Correct. So what will be the output for the static member?
Static will be again sync with the static pool.
So what is the K value?
K value would be 70.
Correct. Because the latest value of the K is 70 here.
Yeah. So 70 will be synced to the object 2.
So just okay. So the object 2 right now we have changed. Just a second. That 40 is being changed to 70 now. Okay. So then now we are going to execute these steps. Now can you tell me?
Yeah. So this would be a static pool again. So that value will be 70.
Correct. So it's going to print.
Because class name will always go to static pool.
Correct.
So value will be printed, only value. Only value.
Correct. Yeah, correct.
Because there is no double
Yes, you're correct. Global local variable is not in double quotes. I'm referring to variable. Where the search will go? The first
that
one.
will go to the static pool.
Correct. In the static pool, what is the K value?
70.
70 will be printed. So then next obj.p obj.k.
50.
Okay. So obj2.k. In the object 2, k value is what right now for me? It's 70. So then after that next.
No, but we are printing p value, I guess.
Oh, sorry. First p.
So it will be
Just
50.
obj.p right now. Obj2p, that value is 50.
Yeah.
So I'll move a little bit.
Then obj.p would be 60.
So obj.p, obj2.p, in the p value of that one is what? 50.
Yeah.
So it prints 50. Then next obj2.k.
No, we have already so 70 after 70 it will be 50.
Oh, we are. Sorry. Just a second, guys. My
Just
bad.
remove one.
I'll just keep it here, so I'm not confused. Okay. So obj
would be
60. Yes. So obj2.p, that is 15. Then obj2.k. So still where we have printed right now. Sorry, I got confused.
No, first, so I'll explain this only. So first it would be like global underscore local variable dot k. That would be 70.
So this step is what?
This is already done before. So this is the.
This is what this one, na? This
Yes,
step.
yes.
So after that, just a second. Okay, after that we'll print it. So we created the next object. First global local variable dot k. So that means referring through static pool. What is the value? 70. Correct. Yes. Then next obj2.p.
Yes.
Obj2.
That would be 50.
50. obj2.p. 2.p is 50. obj2.k. So what is the value? 70. Yes. Then obj.p. obj.p. That is, this is the object. P value is what?
60.
60. obj1.p.
That would be 25.
25 will be printed. Clear? So anyone ask any questions on this so far? Anyone has any questions? Guys, I just want everyone to print in the chat window as yes, if everyone has understood this concept. I'm going to give an assignment. The same assignment is what yesterday I given, but actually you guys still a little bit actually what you guys are learning in this. So no worries. Anyway, tomorrow once again we are going to see this part because this is the basics. It's not a problem that actually what we spend more time on the basics, because once we have a good idea on this, learning the little bit complex topics is always easier. Okay, so now I'm going to give this. Hey, thanks, Virendra. Thank you so much. So now this program I'm going to send you right now. Okay, so just give me, write the memory location like this and then give me the output for that. Sure, Sabil. Actually, I'm going to have a backup class for the new joiners. So tomorrow 8 p.m. I'm going to have the backup class for the new joiners. 8 to 8:45 we'll have. So for the 2 days we'll have 8 to 8:45. Then again after 15 minutes you guys will be coming for the 9 o'clock batch. Okay. So for 2 days alone you will have a backup so that you will have understanding. Okay. No worries. Tomorrow I'll contact for you guys.
So what will you teach at the backup, sir?
That is the installation of Java and JDK. So actually 2 to 3 persons have newly joined today and yesterday. So for them, just installation of Java and JDK and Eclipse, then data type and then variables, what is static and non-static variable.
So Murli,
Yes,
can
yes,
you
tell.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Who's this?
Yeah, my name is Anil.
Yeah, Anil.
Can you also send me that link, please?
Sure. I'll forward to you also. Just actually everyone just send me a mail if anyone is interested. As of now, Anil need to attend, then Sabil, then Chitra, you will be attending. Anyone needs guys for this backup?
Sir, I will attend, sir. I missed the backup on the weekends. I could not attend your backup.
Sure, Prakash. Okay, I'll add you also. So, okay, can you all send me your mail ID alone separately to me? Can you all send me your mail ID? In the chat window, you guys can send me separately. So I'll have a note of yours. So, okay, so now I want everyone to execute this button. So this one I want you to execute as like this memory allocation concept. So now I'll give you a 10 minutes of time. Okay, please execute this one and then give me the output. So before one, I'll just execute it. Just again, it's loading. Okay, we got this. Local variable 1020, global variable 40. Then 40, 50, 40. 40, 50, 40. obj.p 6090. obj.p 6090. Global local variable 90. obj1.p is 50. K is 90. Global local variable 90. Then 70, 50, 70. 70, 50, 70. 60, 25. 60, 25. So our output is correct. The same thing right now, I want everyone to execute this. So right now I'll execute the output. So you draw the memory location and then check whether your output is correct right now. Okay, now we'll have a till 10:05. I'll just give you the time. Just execute it and check whether your output is correct. Okay guys, just try this one. Okay. So 10:05 again will connect. So I want the output as per the memory location part you guys have to do. Take a pen and paper and then do this. Thank you. 10:05 we will again connect guys in another 9 minutes. Hello. Hey guys, you guys are able to get the output? You guys are able to get the output? Superb. Good. Anyone else has got the output? Your output and then the execution output are same. If anyone has got? Superb, Divya. Good. Ramya, Raghu, Shaina, Santosh, you guys tried it? Okay, cool. So no worries. So actually tomorrow also I'm going to take the same topic related to the different program. We'll see the description of different objects, and then after that, when you load the static and non-static memory, how the memory is going to be allocated and how the output is going to be changed. We're going to see. So tomorrow you will be having a clear understanding on the static and non-static variables. Then going on further, we'll go to the other topics. Okay, guys. So tomorrow we'll again connect by same time. 10. We'll again connect by 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much.
Murli,
Yeah. Tell me.
Murli, I have one doubt in this.
Yes.
I got the output, but I would like to understand about we did not use J anywhere. And we haven't created object. So this is a non-static, and where exactly this will be loaded in the memory?
This non-static variable we are not utilizing in this. Actually, from our program, because we are not creating any objects in this program.
Correct.
So non-static object is not non-static variable is not loaded in any of the memory in this program.
Right.
Okay.
So once we create an object, then only this will be loaded. Like
yes.
All the
yes. Correct.
Will be loaded there.
Yes. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Cool, guys. So tomorrow. Yeah.
Nikita here.
Yes, Nikita.
Murli, is there any good site where I can find some sample programs for practicing for assignment purpose? Simple programs.
You can go to Java tutorials.
Java tutorials.
Yes, and W3 schools. These two are very good tutorials for Java.
Okay, all right.
Okay, Java tutorials and then W3 schools. These both are good one. Java tutorials. Just I'll show you. Java tutorials point. This one. So here you can see for all the different things we have. Basic syntax.
No, apart from this, any other site where I can find some assignments?
Okay, assignments.
Simple. Yeah.
Nothing. You can just give Java assignments. You will get actually n number of sites over there. You can just go and do it. This one actually you can see. There will be a lot of things extra. It will be there. Here you can see variables and names. You can try these ways.
Okay.
Programming by doing. Just if you give Java assignments, you'll get.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions for anyone, guys? Anyone has any questions?
In W3 schools, what do you look at it? Because I learned SQL only from W3.
Yeah.
Do I need to look at HTML or Java?
Nothing. Java. For Java, actually, she was asking any other good websites. We can also get the assignments or learn syntax and all those things. So W3 schools and then after that Java tutorials are the best websites for the learning the basics of Java.
Okay.
And then for assignments, you can just give Java assignments. There also you can learn everything.
Mostly, I was not looking for syntax actually. I was looking for programs or assignments that can be asked in interview. I mean, if they are asking any programs to write in the interview for that purpose.
Those things actually what I will be covering to you. So related to that, we have a lot of, so find the Fibonacci series, find the prime number, find the factorial of a number, like all those things actually, but we will be seeing in our classes.
Okay, all right.
All those things actually I'll be covering.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, na? Yeah.
Thanks.
Cool. Any questions, guys, from anyone? Every day we'll be sending the recorded session to everyone, guys. Okay, everyone.
Sir, one last quick question, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
I'm trying to open a new project. It is by default, it is asking me to save in the C drive. So is it a good idea to save in the C drive? Always I should save to D?
No. Save it in a different drive. Why means don't save your programs in C drive. So if you see, this is your Eclipse.
Yes.
So it will ask you to always save it in C drive only. But it's not a best practice. Why means anytime your system has become a problem, they will format the C drive. So that's why browse and go to some other drive and then create a folder.
Okay, sir. D drive.
That's what, D drive or something like that. Apart from C drive, you can go for anywhere. Okay, yeah. Yes, you can switch over your workspace from here. Okay, thank you. Thanks. We'll meet tomorrow by same time, 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Thank you.